Hello and welcome to Introduction to Procurement module. In this module, we will discuss critical topics starting with an introduction to procurement. We will talk about how you can run the procurement operations most effectively and efficiently. We will go through the procurement definition. We will talk about why procurement is needed and the difference between buying, purchasing, or procurement, as most people use these terms interchangeably, although there is a big difference, and we will get to that. We will discuss the procurement rights, how you can buy the right item with the right specifications, with the right cost, with the right quantity from the right supplier, from the right source to be delivered to the right place at the right time and in the right conditions. And then we will discuss procurement as support function for the organization and how we can add value to this organization. Then we will talk about the procurement functions levels in the company, where they have the procurement department. They have different levels of employees running different functions from transactional, operational, managerial, and strategic. And finally, we will have a summary of this module. We will take you on this 1 hour exciting journey to learn the most basic definitions in the procurement field. You will be able to distinguish between purchasing and procurement and how to handle procurement process under the procurement rights umbrella. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.